Hi, welcome back to my channel. And today we will learn how to use the word bug. Let's begin. Words have multiple meanings, and we know that. And meanings depend on culture. So to expect that the word would mean the same thing that it means in your language is a little bit silly. So let's learn what bug means in English and how they use it. So the first and the most obvious literal meaning of bug is an insect. Жук, жучок, букашка. The technical word is an insect, and there are many types of them, so bug is just one of them. Nobody got time for that, so they call them bugs. So you can be bitten by a bug because bugs bite. Even if it's a mosquito, they would say, oh, I got bitten by a bug. I got bitten by a bug. That's a tongue twister. I got bitten by a bug. And This Is Us, Rebecca calls her daughter Kate Bug lovingly, like he's her little bug.
Hey Bug, are you ready?
But that's what she means. She means this tiny little cute insect. Next meaning that can interest us is an infection. So, bug is a disease that is caused by an infection, a virus, or something else. For example, you can have a stomach bug, like a stomach virus. You can call it stomach flu, which is closer to the truth, or you can call it a stomach bug, because bugs are bad and annoying as viruses. And they also call bacteria. Bugs, like if somebody sneezes, they would say, oh, go away with your bugs. I don't want to inhale your bugs. I don't want your bugs here. But it's not bugs, it's bacteria or viruses. But you know, they look like bugs, right? So let's call them bugs. Another thing is a glitch or an error in some electronic devices. If your screen is glitching, you can say that there's a bug, computer bug, something that is wrong and you don't know exactly what's happening, so they call that bug. In Russian, we also call them bug, bagi. But here it's important to pay attention to pronunciation because it's not bug, it's bug. The sound originates in the back of your mouth. It's like the low middle of your mouth. In the back of your mouth, your lips are not doing anything. For example, in sounds like oo or e, lips are doing something. With the sound, lips do nothing. So, The sound is very close to the schwa sound, but the schwa sound is a reduced sound. This is a full sound, Bug. It is stressed. When that kind of sound is stressed, it is written like this, Bug, luck, fun, none, all of those words. Not bag, bug. In spy movies and series, you can see that they put little devices that record what you're saying, and those are called bugs too. For example, the room is bugged, meaning that the room has recording devices everywhere and you can't say what you need to say there. You will be recorded.
He was one of the DC guys. He did the Capitol Hill job.
We gotta get this guy to a hospital.
No hospitals. How do we know he doesn't have a tracker on him or a bug?
Jesus.
We can use it as a noun, a bug. There's a bug in my car somewhere. It's a bug, we need to put a bug on him. Or as a verb, to be bugged. Her car was bugged. They bugged the room, so the room is bugged. If you ever heard a phrase to catch a bug, it could mean to catch a virus and get a disease from it, as we discussed before. But it can also mean that you become really enthusiastic about something, that you become obsessed with something. Like in this song.
My sister used to sing the Whitney. My mama caught the gambling bug.
Подсесть на что-то. So you become addicted. Could be used in a negative way. I think in the song it was in a negative way, but it also can be in the good way, like to be enthusiastic about it. I really like it. And the last meaning that we will discuss today connects to the previous ones with the virus and bugs themselves. It's to annoy someone. So if something is bugging you, it's annoying you. You can't really let it go. Like an annoying bug flying around and trying to land on you or bite you. A lot of the times it's used with about, bug somebody about something. But it can be just, they're bugging me. They can't stop bugging me. Why won't they stop bugging me? It's so annoying. That's it for today. Let me know what you think, and let's share our examples with bug in the comments. All right, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye.